Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are outside of Meijer and it's already almost noon. I'm a little late today, but we got some awesome new bonuses on Ibotta. So we have not only the weekend dash cash, but we have like two other ones. One's only like 6 days. It ends on Monday, I believe, if I read that correctly real quick, which we'll see how Walmart goes tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get that one done. I think it's 25 offers or whatever. I'm getting a few offers in today at least, but my weekend dash cash is literally $1, so it's normally not even worth it. So anyway, there are some really good deals at Meijer. Hopefully I didn't miss any clearance finds because I'm going later than I normally do in the week, so whatever. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Check your store for clearance cold and flu medicine. My store is starting to have quite a bit of clearance going on. Also some allergy stuff on clearance. It's never anything I use. I always use the Zyrtec because that's what works best for me. I'll buy the store one if it's on clearance, but never is. Sadly, I did get it at Walgreens. I got lucky that one time. We also got two different Dr. Teal's products on clearance, but they're just starting on clearance, so they're baby clearance. So I would wait. Let's put together a diaper deal. So a couple weeks ago, this happens like once a month, this deal, but let's put one together just in case you need it. It's usually about the same, but we have two different ways to do this. But it's on, we have spend or buy $75 worth of diapers, wipes, or training pants. You'll get $20 off. So it'll be the Catalina that kind of looks like the Walgreens ones that print when you buy stuff at Walgreens. So you'll get one of those to use on your next purchase. We will be stacking this in with the Kimberly-Clark offer, which is spend $50, get $10 off instantly. Since Huggies is a Kimberly-Clark product, the first deal is just going to be boxes. So the first box we're going to grab is the regular one right over here. You can grab whatever size you want. The little movers, the little snugglers, they're going to be $28.99. Next, we're going to grab a box of Huggies Snug and Dry diapers for $28.99. Lastly, we're going to grab a box of Huggies Overnights. They are also $28.99. These will be the three boxes you're going to grab. Your total for all three will be $86.97. We have a $5 digital coupon for the little movers or little snugglers. We have a $5 digital coupon for the overnights and a $5 digital coupon for the Snug and Dry. I think there is one other $5 digital coupon for a different Huggies product if you want to switch it up. But after all $15 worth of digital coupons come off and the $10 Kimberly-Clark comes off, you'll be left to pay $61.97 at the register. Then we'll get the $20 Catalina for next time, making them all $41.97. For the next scenario, we're going to keep two boxes. So whatever two boxes that you want that are $28.99 for the scenario, I'm just going to keep the little movers and the Snug and Dry. Then we're going to come grab two bags of the little snugglers or the little movers diapers. They are $9.99 each. These would be an example of the four products you would grab. Your total for all four of these will be $77.96. We have the $5 digital coupon for the little movers, the $5 digital coupon for the Snug and Dry, and then for the small packs, we have a buy one, get one half off coupon. So it'll take off $4.99. So after all $14.99 worth of digital coupons and the $10 Kimberly-Clark comes off, you'll be left to pay $52.97 at the register. We'll get the $20 Catalina for next time, making all four just $32.97. There's also tons and tons of clearance on clothes and shoes right now, but I don't have time to go through them. I don't really buy clothes that often. I bought some clothes for my Japan trip. I bought a pair of shorts from here, and I learned that they don't have dressing rooms here, or try-on rooms, and I was super surprised. I'm like, why bother selling clothes? Y'all, look how cute this trash can is. I definitely don't need another trash can, but that's so cute. So literally the only decent deal is on the vegan strips for pets. Well, the only pet deal I should rephrase. But these are $3.69. We have a 50% off um, different brands, but this is the cheapest option I could find. So it'd be $1.84 for one bag, which isn't too bad. If you like this brand of pasta, the Barilla Alboranzo or whatever, they're buy one get one free, so you can mix and match and grab the pasta you like. So I'm gonna grab one of these chicken of the sea pink salmon. I'm gonna grab this one. I have a free offer, so if you go into your coupons and in the search bar type in free, any free offer that you get or the buy one get one free, all those accumulate there. So that's an easy way to see every week if you get a free offer. I get a free offer probably once every like 6 weeks or so. If you like the Ben's street food, they're buy one get one free. I've personally never tried them, but they don't look bad. I think I would probably try the fried rice with vegetables first, and then maybe the bean and rice burrito bowl. I'm not a fan of this. It doesn't look that good to me, but it might be good to you. A super easy deal this week is on Bugles and Chex Mix. They buy one get one free, and we have a 75-cent digital coupon. Right now, the ZOA energy drinks are buy one get one free, and I think I forgot to write it down. I think I have a 40 cents only for you digital M-Perk, and then we have 1,000 points on fetch for each can we buy. So it should make them, fetch should give me 1,000 points on each can. So make two of them completely free with that M-Perk. Poppy single cans of soda are 5 for $10. You'll grab obviously 5 of them, and then you're gonna take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for 35 cents on each can, and we'll get 5 rebates. Max it out for $1.75, making them all 5 of them $8.25. Pringles are on sale for 3 for $6, or you can grab them singly. We have a $1 digital coupon, so make them 3 for $5 or $1.19 if you grab it by itself. Oikos, the flip cups remixes, the remixes are $1.49. You'll grab 2 of them. We have a buy one get one free M-Perk, and then we have 75 cents when buying 2 on Ibotta, so I'll make them $1.17 for both. There's a really good deal on the Bueno Kinder Minis if you like them. They are buy 2 get 2 free, so you'll grab 4 of them. They're $5.79 each. Then you'll take your receipt and submit it to Shopkick. We have 625 kicks on each bag. It's a limit of 3, so we'll get $7.50 in total from Shopkick, making all 4 bags just $4.08. These El Montre burritos are 79 cents. We have a buy one get one free M-Perk, so you can grab whatever 2 you like for 79 cents. So select Tyson chicken is 2 for $10, and we have a $2 Ibotta rebate. It's only a limit of 1, so I'll make them 2 for $8. Now I only scanned this one. I thought this was the lightly breaded because that's the ones I like, but they're baked, so I'm going to be passing on this deal because I have other chicken at home. But you can scan around and see if the $2 works for anything else. Daisy sour cream, these small ones are 3 for $4. We have a $1 digital coupon, making them 3 for $3 or $1 each. The Daisy cottage cheese with like fruit toppings are 3 for $4, and we also have a different $1 digital coupon for these, so these will also be 3 for $3. So this one actually, this Kevin's Natural Foods Thai style coconut chicken is $9.99. On aisle, we have a 50% offer, and I've seen these on TikTok a lot, so I really want to try them. So I think 1 for half off is the best deal I can see lately, so I'm glad to be able to grab it for 50% off. Stock up on fruit. Blackberries are 99 cents a pound. Strawberries are 3 for $5. Great savings all around. Dole salad kits are buy one get one for $1, but I actually came over here and I'm sad. So we have amazing savings on the 80 Acres Farms salads. So on Social Nature we have a free offer, and then on aisle we have a buy one get one free offer. So I could literally grab 2 of them for free. But Social Nature has select varieties that you can grab, and the only one that my store says that is like one of the flavors that's offered through Social Nature, my store sold out, but I don't even see a spot for it. I literally only see these 2 spots, so I don't know if they carry it or not. Because I only have to grab like one of them. The other one could be whatever, but I can't find where the rest of the products are. All right, we're back in from checkout. I know my video was kind of fast. It's because my store is pretty busy, being that it's like around noon. So it is what it is. And yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to grab those salad kit things, the 80 acres. I have to go to a different I have to drive my grandma somewhere next week, and I will be passing a Meijer. Well, she has a doctor or like an appointment at the hospital for a couple hours or whatever. So I'll be able to drive to that store if that store has it. So, and I like to browse around at that Meijer too, because it's like twice the size as this one. It's like massive. But back to my receipt. So I grabbed the burritos, the chicken, the tuna, what else? The yogurt, the ZOA energy drinks, and then the Kevin's natural things. So as you can see, the free offer came off for the burrito. Then we have what is that? Oh, the Greek yogurt, the buy one get one free offer came off for that one. The free offer for the tuna, I don't know, it says canned because it's not really canned, but whatever. And then, it's 45 cents off. So 45 cents off came off for the ZOA, and then since the other one was buy one get one free, that one came off. And then the chicken, the Kevin's natural chicken thing I bought. So my total was $14.01 before taxes. I submitted for the 50% offer for the Kevin's chicken thing, and that should go through. And I just remember the aisle is giving back $1 for each offer that you're grabbing, I believe, if I remember correctly. So that'll make that even cheaper, which is super awesome. And then so if I get that $1 back, that would make it $3.99 for that pack. So that's super awesome. Oh, it just got approved. I was reading the message. So that's already gotten, that will be in my PayPal account, like literally probably within the next 24 hours. So that's super awesome. Plus $1 if that's the thing. And then I got 75 cents from Ibotta, and then $2.05 from Fetch, making my grand total for my whole haul $5.25, which is super amazing for me, in my opinion, because it's just food. You might have a different definition of food, but food is, to me, anything within the grocery department. Everyone has likes and standards of what they eat, and I don't judge anyone. Anyone can eat what they want. That's how I feel. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.